Hi, I'm Mike with Autel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the MS906Pro TS in action using this 2020 Jeep Wrangler. MS906Pro TS can perform tire pressure checks, TPMS diagnostics, sensor programming, and relearn functions. If you are ready, let's go. First, plug in the VCI to the OBD2 port located beneath the steering column. Connect the 906 Pro TS with the VCI in VCI Manager. Once you're connected, head over to the TPMS app on the home screen. Find your vehicle by searching for it or swiping through the vehicle list. I will select Jeep, then Automatic Selection. Since we are connected via the VCI, we can tap Read and the VIN will appear within a few seconds. Press OK. On this page, I will do a quick test of each tire. Notice the icon in the top right corner of the device. Place it next to the tire pressure sensor and tap Trigger. This will automatically read the sensor ID, the tire's PSI, sensor frequency, tire temperature, and sensor battery status. Do this for each tire. Next, let's perform diagnostics for the tire pressure monitoring system. Tap Diagnostics at the top, then start the diagnosis. We can view live data here, service functions, and ECU information. You can also perform programming. This is for when you want to replace an old sensor with an Autel sensor. You can copy the old sensor by tapping Copy by Activation, Copy by OBD, or Copy by Input. The 906 Pro TS makes it easy to perform sensor programming. Finally, perform relearn functions here. A guide shows you exactly how to perform a relearn function. I'm Mike, and I hope this video helped demonstrate the core functions of the MS906 Pro TS. If you want to learn more, please check out our Autel YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.